Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 1127 Wall Road in Webster.
This is an amazing ranch home in a private nature setting. So let's take a tour.
This is one-of-a-kind first-floor living. This ranch home features an expansive living room with gorgeous natural woodwork, a wall of windows, and a wood-burning fireplace. Open to a dining area with a wood beam ceiling and a brick accent wall. A welcoming foyer with heated slate floors leads to a spacious eat-in kitchen with wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and hardwood floors. All with 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and a screened-in porch with cathedral ceilings and scenic nature views. Gain incredible additional living space with this finished walkout lower level, which makes a great in-law suite, featuring a spacious family room with beam ceilings and a fireplace. Open to 2 additional bedrooms or offices, a den, with a beautifully finished spa bathroom, laundry, and a second eat-in kitchen. This is nature at its best, with over half an acre in a park-like setting.
Nearby is the Four Corners of Webster with great restaurants, shops, and parks.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1127 Wall Road in Webster.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!